Hello, we're back today with a high-tech video about laptops. That's right, whether it's for note-taking, research, online classes, or even online open house, a computer has become a must-have to accomplish all these tasks. With the event of COVID, it's better to have a good laptop to keep up with your classes. Autonomy, weight, performance, there's a whole list of elements that we have to take into consideration before concocting the list of the 5 best laptops for students. Don't move, let's go for our top 5. We start our list with the Acer Aspire 5 Pro. This brand is no longer an unknown on the market. Moreover, its format is compact. It seems to be easy to carry. Indeed, given its light weight of 2.6 kilograms, it will easily slip into a laptop bag. It is about 19.90 times 403.5 times 263.7 millimeters. Rather elegant, this equipment is a pure silver color. In terms of connectivity, it has an HDMI port and 3 USB ports, 2 of which are the Type A and 1 has a Type C. It is equipped with the Bluetooth 5.0 technology. The ventilation is quite discreet. On the screen, Acer offers a matte slab that stands on IPS technology. The screen is full HD, so a resolution of 1920 by 1080. Let's see its performance. This computer is equipped with an Intel Core i7 processor, which runs on a quad-core 2.8 GHz. In terms of storage, the memory is 2 terabytes. For the operating system, we're on Windows 10 Professional 64 bits. The battery is lithium-ion. For the power supply, this equipment has a power of 65 watts. In short, this device is easy to handle. It offers performance that is largely capable of helping students with their assignments. Let's move on to the Dell XPS 13. This is a 2-in-1 computer, and its mobility and the fact that it's reversible will pleasure students. This laptop is platinum silver. It's a lightweight of 1.27 kilograms, which makes it easily transportable. This device is made of aluminum, which gives it an elegant and robust look. The edges have an impeccable finish. The keyboard is a Zarity and backlit. In terms of connectivity, it has 2 Thunderbolt ports, a USB Type-C port, and a headphone port. For those who want to save files or photos on a memory card, it is quite possible. A small slot is located on the side to insert a micro SD card. The hinges are solid. They will allow you to turn your screen to transform into a tablet. Dell indeed offers an ergonomic and practical computer. This touchscreen is 13 inches. We're on the Infinity Edge UHD Plus with a resolution of 1920 by 1200. It is equipped with an anti-reflection. Let's see what's under the hood. It's an Intel Core i7 11th generation processor. It has 1 terabyte SSD hard drive and 16 gigabytes of memory. With such power, you can easily jiggle from one window to another. It executes commands quickly. The operating system is Windows 11. The power supply has a power of 45 watts. Obviously, it has Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. With its finishes and performance, this laptop will appeal to many. Choosing the right laptop is not something easy. There are many factors to consider in order to decide. The Asus ZenBook Flip 13 has all of the elements to be on our top 5. In fact, it's our 3rd place. Elegant design and top performance is what the laptop offers. It weighs only 1.3 kilograms and is only 13.9 millimeters thick. It fits easily into a laptop bag. In terms of connectivity, it has several including USB-A and 2 Thunderbolt USB-C. It also has an HDMI port. Don't let its design fool you. Despite its ultra-thin appearance, it is packed with capabilities. Indeed, the Asus ZenBook Flip has a powerful processor. We're on the Core i7 processor Intel 10th generation. It has a 1 terabyte SSD for 16 gigabytes of RAM memory. Windows 10 Pro is integrated into this computer. Your actions will be smooth with this tool. Of course, its screen is touchscreen since it's a 2-in-1 laptop. It has a FHD resolution of 1920 by 1080. This 13-inch screen is LED and has a ratio of 16.9. The panel is IPS. You'll have clear and sharp images. The keyboard is edge-to-edge design. The touchpad has a good response with a smart gesture capability. The battery is made of lithium polymer and has a life of 16 hours. Not bad, the Asus ZenBook Flip 13. This computer is available in 3 colors, including platinum gray, charcoal gray, and abyss blue. These colors give a rather classy effect for this device. Light as anything, it only weighs 1.6 kilograms and is about 1.8 to 2.1 centimeters thick. It is easily transportable to use every day. In terms of connectivity, it has 2 USB 3.1 ports, a USB-C port, and an HDMI port, a card reader, and a mixed headphone and microphone connector. The power button is located on the side, unlike many computers. As far as performance is concerned, we can say that this laptop is doing well. Indeed, it has an AMD Ryzen 7 Series 4000 mobile processor and operates under Windows 10 Professional. Obviously, you'll also benefit from the upgrade to Windows 11. The hard drive is a 1TB SSD for a 16GB memory. As for the screen, we're at a 14 inches. This gives us a fairly large screen. The resolution is FHD. It is an IPS slab. The visual comfort promises to be there. This device has Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 4.2. The battery life converts a day's worth of classes, if only for note-taking. Depending on usage, the battery can last up to 12 hours. What we like most about this device is that it has a fast charge. In fact, for only 15 minutes of charge, it has 2 additional hours of autonomy that you will have. This device does pretty well. For students who need a laptop with a little more performance, the Lenovo Yoga Slim 7 promises a lot. First of all, it's thin and light. Thanks to its light weight of 1.4 kilograms, it is therefore easy to transport. On the side, we can see 2 USB 3.1 Gen 2 ports, a USB-C, and an HDMI port, an SD card reader, and a microphone output, as well as headphones. This device is available in 2 colors, slate gray or orchid. It is equipped with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. The hinges are robust. As for the keyboard, the keys are spacious. Overall, this device has a nice finish. Let's look at what we're most interested in, which is the performance. The memory goes up to 16 gigabytes of LPDDR4X. Thanks to this, the laptop will execute commands quickly. The screen is IPS panel and FHD on 14 inches. What we like most about this device is that it has Alexa and Cortana voice commands. That's it for today. I hope this list helps you see more clearly on your next purchase. Feel free to like the video if you haven't liked it. See you soon for a new high-tech video. Ciao.